What's the meaning of Back to the Future? Back to the Future. Back to the Future.
Back to the Future. Back to the Future. Back to the Future is a 1985 science fiction film directed by Robert Zemeckis. The movie follows the adventures of teenager Marty McFly, who travels back in time from 1985 to 1955 using a time machine built by his eccentric friend Doc Brown. The title, Back to the Future, refers to Marty's journey through time and his attempts to return to his own time period. The film has become a cultural phenomenon and is widely regarded as a classic. It explores themes of time travel, family, and destiny, and has been influential in shaping popular culture since its release.